Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in political sentiment at plus 0.24, with momentum climbing to plus 0.70 over the last 24 hours. This is significant, because it's well above the historical baseline, suggesting a shift in public opinion that you won't want to overlook. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters, that helps you understand the underlying dynamics of political discourse. Imagine you're building a dashboard to track real-time public sentiment on legislation. With this data, you can identify which issues are gaining traction and how public sentiment is evolving, enabling you to adjust your strategy accordingly. To dive deeper into integrating this powerful tool, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.